I want to give my young king some advice this rising about showing your royal oaks. You know, we used to say that growing up. Hey man, go out there, have some fun, go mess with a couple sheep, have some fun. You know, but protect yourself. Protect yourself. You know, that part they left out of us. They just told us to have fun. I'm telling you to protect yourself if you out here having fun. Now, I want to share a story, my personal story with you. That way you can kind of make a better decision when it comes to sleeping around. Now, I want to say this. If you're going to be sleeping around with multiple women, make sure you use protection every time. You got over a 90% chance of you not catching any diseases, you not getting ill or sick, if you just do that, fam. I heard the guy say one time, hey man, I want to feel it. You'll feel it. But if you don't have that on, you're going to feel something you'll never stop feeling. So put it on, fam. But let me tell you the story. So I thought, you know, being young, I'm going to give you two different scenarios. Being young, I thought I was being slick. You know, I had a friend and she had a friend. And she told me, she was a couple years older than me, and she told me that her friend, you know, he don't be around that much or whatnot. And he got his own thing going on from time to time. And I'm thinking, man, you know, that's cool. So I can, you know, knock her off when he doing his thing, you know. And it happened for a while. You know, I'm young now. Now, this is before I wasn't even 15 yet. So I did it. And fam, you know what happened was, I'm sleeping with her. I'm not messing with nobody else, though, at the time. I'm just messing with her. I'm thinking I'm doing something slick, you know, because she got somebody, you know. He messing with somebody. He come home, burnt her. I come over from McGee, come over there to come see her. She burned me. She didn't know she was burning, but I found out a couple days later after I left, or a day later after I left. And I had to contact her and tell her, hey, I'm on fire over here. You might need to check yourself out. She was hurt, embarrassed, but she knew what happened, the guy. So she had to get fixed up. He had to get, you know, she had to deliver the message. Needless to say, I ended that relationship. And, you know, now I'm in the streets doing my thing. And I remember my mom had to take me to the doctor to get a shot. And I can remember this like it was yesterday. My mom was working at the high school. I'm in the middle school. She come across there. I'm crying in the office, sweating, because I couldn't pee, fam. I was peeing, but I was peeing razor blades. She come in there, boy, what's wrong with you? I said, man, mama, man, I'm sick. Mama said, you ain't sick. One of them little nasty tail girls that burnt you. That's what happened to you. Sitting in front of everybody, fam. Embarrassed me. I'm in the 7th grade. You know what I mean? Needless to say, 7th, 8th grade, needless to say, you know, that was a situation that, you know, that I remember to this day. And then I had another situation, fam. I'm out here. I'm older now. I'm out here, you know, just went through a divorce. And I'm 30. I'm just doing my thing, fam. And not using protection, but I'm thinking, well, I want to mess with this one. And then that one, and she only got one. You don't know what people got going on in their life. They might tell you, you my only one. That doesn't mean it is what it is. My mama told me something that I never forget. She shared a story with me how she had a relationship with one of my dad's friends. And she told me that how she win and how it makes her feel better is she'll do it and he'll never know. Never know. Died with it, fam. She died with it. She dead now. He didn't know. But my mom slept with a couple of my dad's friends because of what my dad was doing. But she never told my dad. But my dad found out, but she found out everything he was doing. So all I'm saying is, fam, a woman can be slicker than you, and this is coming from my mom giving me this game. So I got to give it to you, young king. Protect yourself, fam. If you're going to be out here moving and grooving, protect yourself because you can get caught up and get a disease, get some stuff that you can't get off. I don't care how much wash and bleach you put on you, it's over with. So be safe, fam. And I would recommend that you would try to have less partners, you know. I understand you want to get out there, but I would try to have less. And if you're going to have multiple, protect yourself, fam. I mean, you're going to do what you're going to do. Just like I did what I was going to do. All I'm saying is, fam, be wise with yourself, because there's stuff out here now, fam, that would destroy you instantly, that would keep you from having kids. There are ladies you can sleep with that will control you and your kids. I've been going through that too. So you can place your seed at the wrong place, family, and it can be like slavery, like torture to you. So as a older king, fam, who has experienced it and has been experiencing things, I would give you advice to protect yourself, scrap up, be safe. Don't listen to nothing she got to say about that. I got the pill. I'm good. Scrap up, fam. You talking about the feeling. They got many things that make it feel good enough. You know what I'm saying? But at least you got a feeling. All I'm saying is, fam, do not put yourself in that type of bind. And if it gets to the point, fam, where you feel like you just got to go do some BS, or this girl, oh man, I got to go be with her. You know what an old school dude told me? He said, say, before you go over there and go make that decision to destroy your life, go in the bathroom and go jack off. Think about it, jack off. When you get done, see if you still feel the same way about it before you get ready to go over there. If you don't feel the same way, you about to mess up your life for a couple minutes. So all I'm saying is, fam, don't allow pleasure, you know what I mean, to destroy you forever. Be blessed. Hog on.